Sarthak, what do you do from morning till evening?
Okay, ma'am. I wake up at 8 o'clock. I take my breakfast at 9 o'clock. Ma'am, before
When you get
eating
up, you get up at 8 o'clock. After that, what you do? After I brush my teeth and take a
teeth
bath.
and take a bath, then I take my breakfast.
Don't you
Then,
do morning prayers? Sarthak, do you do morning prayers?
no, ma'am.
What is morning prayer? Don't
Ma'am,
you
I don't,
don't you ask? Don't you join your hands in front of Babaji? Don't you?
no, ma'am.
No, you should do that. When you wake up in the morning, you should join hands and ask Babaji to bless you, isn't it? In the morning, if you have a temple at home, you go to that place, join hands, and ask God to bless you. Ki, may God bless me, please Babaji bless me, whatever, to whom you feel like. But you should always touch feet of your parents, boys, especially boys. They should touch feet of their parents, grandparents, and always ask Babaji or God, whosoever you feel like. Always do your morning prayers. That are called morning prayers. Raise your
Okay,
hand
ma'am.
if you do morning prayers, all of you. If you do morning prayers, raise your hand. Who does? No one. So start doing it from tomorrow. If you don't do, start doing it from tomorrow. You know, it's only a God who will help you out, who will help you in all your ups and downs, everywhere. Only that God will help you. So always join hands in the morning and मन में बोलना है like may Babaji please Babaji bless me या please may God bless me या whatever you say, it's your choice, but always join your hands. Promise, all of you?
Ma'am,
Yes,
promise.
ma'am.
Very good,
I
very good. Okay, after that, yes, Sarthak, then what do you do?
Then I take my online classes.
Oh, very good.
Then
Okay,
I
Riddhi.
take my
Okay, Riddhi,
lunch.
very good. Riddhi is saying that I do this. Riddhi is a very good girl. Very good, Riddhi. God bless you. Okay. Yes, Sarthak.
Then I take my lunch. Then I go to play. Then
After
I
taking my lunch, देखो,
after
this I want to tell all of you while describing anything. When you said that I take my online classes from 9 till 12 p.m. After that, I take my lunch. So after that
after
is
that
what? Yeah, it's a conjunction. Connect sentences. After that,
after that I eat my lunch.
okay, great, very good. Stop here. Now, Riddhi, you share with me from morning till noon, till lunch. What do you do from morning till lunch? Yeah, Riddhi. Then we
I'll
go
wake up on 8 o'clock.
at 8 o'clock. At 8 o'clock
At 8 o'clock.
in the
Then
morning. In the
I
morning.
in the morning, then I brush my teeth and take a bath.
Very good.
After that, I fill my mother's bottle.
Okay. I do my morning prayers.
I do my morning prayers and I do my breakfast.
I take my breakfast.
I take my breakfast and I do some worksheets.
After that, I do some
After that,
school
I
worksheets.
do worksheets.
Okay. School worksheets?
My mother's school's worksheets.
Okay, okay.
She gives me.
Okay.
Then I play with my balloon.
Okay. I play with my balloon for some time.
I play with my balloon for some time. I watch television for 15 or 30 minutes.
15 to 30 minutes. Okay.
15 to 13 minutes.
Yeah.
Then I play with my pyramid toys.
Okay.
I make many kind of things. Then I take my lunch.
Okay, that's it. Very good. So till lunch only I want all of you. Yes. Now Vaishnavi, you share with me what time you wake up and then what you do. Yes, Vaishnavi.
I wake up in the morning at 8 o'clock. I will brush my teeth
Then I brush
and
my teeth. No, then I brush my
then I brush my teeth and I will classes.
I take classes. I take online
I
class
take class. I take online classes
from
at 8 o'clock. From 8 o'clock.
to
8 o'clock to 9:10.
10 a.m.
Yes. I will play with my sister.
Then I play with my sister. Then I play with
Then
my
then play with my sister.
then I play with my sister.
Then I play with younger sister. I take a breakfast.
Then I take my breakfast. Then I eat my breakfast. Yeah, then I take my breakfast.
At 9 o'clock.
Okay. Okay, while sharing your daily routine, Vaishnavi, if you don't take, no matters, but still you add this sentence that I wake up at 8 o'clock in the morning and then I brush my teeth and take a bath. Either you take it or not take it, but it's a good manner, so you should say that. Okay. And
Okay, ma'am.
third line, try to say that I do my morning prayers. Then I do my morning prayers. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
At least beta, we should try to okay. Okay, Vaishnavi, now continue. I play with my younger sister, or you can also say I play with my sibling. I play with my sibling. Yeah.
I play with my sibling. Then I take a lunch.
Then I take
Another class.
okay, then you
Another class.
okay, then you take another class. Okay, very good. And then you take your lunch. Okay.
After.
Okay, very good. Sarthak, I'll come back to you.
Ma'am,
Yeah. Yeah.
in the morning, I wake up my gods.
You wake up your gods. Okay.
I
Okay.
mean gods.
Okay. Okay. Very good. Very good.
And sleep in the night.
Ha. Okay. Yes. So now all of you have to tell me some good manners. Okay. Let me see how many good manners you all know. Okay. I'll start from Sarthak. Sarthak, you share with us a good manner.
Be
You know, in the
hardworking.
be hardworking. Very good. Very good. Riddhi, you tell.
We should brush every day. We should brush twice a day.
We should brush our teeth twice a day. Very good. You know, Riddhi's father is also a doctor, so he teaches that always brush your teeth twice a day. He's a dentist, so he knows how to keep oral hygiene. Okay. Vaishnavi, you also tell us some good manner.
Handy book with clean hands.
Handle.
Handle book with clean hands.
Very good. Handle book with clean hands. Why do we do that?
Always,
Because,
always,
yeah, books are considered,
Because
yeah,
God, because of book are God.
books are considered to be a Saraswati Mata. That's why we handle it with clean hands. Sarthak, coming back to you.
always, always walk at the right hand
Always,
side,
always
left
right.
hand side.
Always walk in the left hand side. Very good, Sarthak. Riddhi, coming back to you, Riddhi.
Chew your food properly.
Very good. We should always chew our food properly. Why is that so? It gets digested very easily with that. Isn't it? Very good, Riddhi. Yeah, Vaishnavi, coming back to Vaishnavi.
Always shake with right hand.
We should always shake with right hand. Very good. Sarthak.
Uh,
Sarthak. Sarthak, now you tell me. You tell me another good manner.
don't be angry.
Don't be angry. Okay, correct. Yeah, coming back to Riddhi. You tell. Yes, Riddhi. You are mute. Unmute first. Riddhi, unmute yourself. Yeah.
We should walk in the morning and evening.
We should do morning and evening walk. Yeah, we should
We
walk
should
in morning and
join.
that is also correct. Very good. We should go for a walk in morning and evening. Very good. Vaishnavi.
Eat
Vaishnavi.
healthy and balanced diet.
We should try and eat healthy and balanced diet. What do you mean by balanced diet? Who can explain me this? What do you mean by balanced diet?
Ma'am, can I tell?
Yeah, Riddhi can tell. Very good.
Ma'am,
Means healthy food.
Healthy food.
means
Okay. Yes.
Never give up.
Just a moment. Vaishnavi is saying something. Yes, Vaishnavi, what is balanced diet?
we eat a healthy food, not eat a junk food.
Basically, balanced diet is a healthy food. Of course, it's a perfect blend of vitamins, minerals, carbohydrates, and fats. A food which has a blend of all the nutrients properly. That is called balanced diet. Okay, very good. Sarthak,
Never give up.
never give up. We should try doing, जैसे अभी right now we are not very good in English. So if we'll never give up and we'll try and try learning English, so definitely we'll make it up. So we'll definitely learn it. So we should never give up. We should keep trying doing things. Very good. Next, Riddhi.
We should not touch electric wires with wet hands.
Oh, wow. Very good. We should never touch electronic appliances and bare wires. You know, when our hands are wet, with wet hands. What do you mean by wet hands, Vaishnavi? What do you mean by wet hands?
Ma'am,
Yeah, Sarthak knows.
मैम
गीले हाथ.
मैम गीले हाथों से हमें कभी वायर्स को नहीं छूना चाहिए.
Very good. We should no Hindi, no English allowed. Oh, sorry, no Hindi allowed here, Vaishnavi. Whatever you say, reply me in English only. Okay. What may, your grammar is correct, incorrect, whatsoever, but don't use Hindi. All of you. Okay. So we should never touch our
with wet hand.
electronic appliances with wet hands. Very good. Very good, all of you. You all are very smart children. Very smart. Okay. So next, who's next? Vaishnavi. Vaishnavi, you tell me some another.
Talk.
Hmm?
Talk respectfully with elders.
Talk respectfully with elders. We should always try and talk to our elders respectfully. Very good. Sarthak?
Speak respectfully with your elders.
Okay, very good. But Vaishnavi told this. You tell me some other. How to speak with youngers?
Love,
Them respectfully.
No, with youngers.
love and help the younger.
Ha. Youngers, we should always try and love them and help them. Love and help your youngers. Okay, very good. Now,
Mend your ways.
mend your ways. Acha, who can explain me mend your ways? Raise your hand. Mend your ways. What do you mean by mend your ways? Raise your hand. Riddhi knows. Riddhi knows. Anyone else? Sarthak and Vaishnavi? What do you mean by mend your ways? Okay, Riddhi, you can explain.
अपनी आदतों को सुधारो.
Yeah, try and improve your habits. Improve your habits. If you have bad habits, so anyone can say mend your ways. Mend your ways. Your habits are not good, so mend your ways. Very good. Try to speak in English only. Okay. Yes, Riddhi, it's your turn.
Always walk on the left side.
Okay, correct. Vaishnavi? Vaishnavi, can you tell any?
Stand upright and do not bend.
Stand upright and do not bend like this because your spine will get bent like this. So you always stand and sit upright. Very good. Sarthak, any other good manners if you know?
I think, ma'am. Chew,
Ma'am, can I tell?
chew your food properly.
Very good. Yes, Riddhi?
We should pray God's daily.
We should do our morning prayers daily. Now let's play a game. In this game, now Riddhi will become a teacher. Riddhi is a teacher and she'll teach all of us good manners. And we will repeat after her. We'll repeat after her because she's a teacher. We'll repeat after her. After Riddhi is done with her teaching, Sarthak will become another teacher. Okay. So then Sarthak will say and we will repeat. And then Vaishnavi will also become a teacher. So this is what we say. Period number
Teaching
one.
the
Period number one is ton of Riddhi ma'am. Yes, Riddhi ma'am. What you are going to teach us? We are your students. Now we all are students and Riddhi is our teacher. Yes, Riddhi. Riddhi?
I'm telling you, we should chew our food properly.
All of you repeat, students. Chew your
chew your food properly.
properly. Okay,
Chew
ma'am.
your food properly.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, next.
We should pray of God daily.
And even
We should pray of God daily.
and we can ask questions to ma'am also. To Riddhi ma'am, you can ask questions also. Ma'am, what does this mean? What does that mean? Riddhi ma'am will explain that. Okay, students? You can ask her. You can ask your teacher. Yes, ma'am.
Eat healthy and balanced diet.
Eat healthy and balanced diet. Any question?
Eat healthy and balanced diet.
Eat healthy and balanced diet.
Riddhi ma'am, I have a question. Riddhi ma'am, can you tell me what do you mean by
Yes.
balanced diet? Riddhi ma'am, please explain what is balanced diet.
Healthy food. It consists some minerals, vitamin, energy, and iron.
Wow. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Continue.
We should wash our hands before and after meals.
We
We
should
should
wash
we
our
should
hands.
wash our hands before
Wash,
and after meals.
wash your hand before, after, and meal.
Ma'am, I have a question. Ma'am, what do you mean by meal? What is meal?
Our lunch and dinner.
The food we eat. The food we eat is a meal. Okay? Okay, thank you, ma'am. Other students can also ask some questions.
Welcome.
Riddhi ma'am, yes, continue.
Talk respectfully with elders.
Talk respectfully
With elders.
with elders.
Love your youngers.
Love your youngers.
Obey your elders.
Obey your elders.
Okay, turn. Second period. Now, Sarthak sir. Sarthak sir is coming and all of students have to repeat after him. Yes, Sarthak sir.
Brush your teeth and wash your hands before and after meals.
Brush your teeth and wash your hands before or after meals. Students, sir, students are not repeating after you. You should say them to repeat.
Brush.
Please repeat.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, good evening. Yes, Sarthak sir. देखो, Sarthak sir is telling some good manners and we have to repeat after him. Yes, Sarthak sir. Sarthak is
Never give up.
huh?
Never give up.
Never give up. Okay. Does anyone want to ask him something? What do you mean by never give up or something? Do you know? What is never
Never give up. Never give up.
Angad, do you know what is never give up? What is never give up? Noor, I tried to call you so many times.
So sorry, Bhabhi. Actually, मेरा phone switched off था.
Okay, that why. But no, but the bell was
Battery low में
ringing.
मुझे पता नहीं चला.
Acha, the bell was ringing actually.
Actually मेरा हाँ जी मेरा ना phone switch off हो गया. Battery low हो गई मुझे पता नहीं
Okay,
चला.
don't
तो
worry.
अपने आप ही switch off हो गया.
I have recorded today's class, so I will send in the group so you can see after. Okay.
Bhabhi, okay, thank you so much.
Okay. So, well, we are doing an activity in which students are becoming teachers and they are teaching us. Yes, Sarthak, tell you are teacher, Sarthak sir. Tell us some good manners.
Wake up early in the morning.
Wake up early in the morning. All the students repeat
morning.
after him.
Wake up
Early in the
wake up.
morning.
early in the morning.
Wake up early in the morning.
Where
Early in the morning.
Okay, let me tell all of you one thing. Let me tell all of you one thing. Those who wake up early in the morning, raise your hands. If you wake up early in the morning, do you wake up? Any one of you?
Ma'am, at Sunday 6 o'clock.
Nay, all are lying. All are lying. I can't. No. All are lying. No one gets up early in the morning. All are raising their hands. I'll ask your mama. I don't think so. You wake up early in the morning. When there
I
is
wake up early in the morning, but on Sunday.
on Sunday.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Well, those who wake up early in the morning, you know what are they called? They are called early birds. What are they called?
Early birds.
Early birds.
All of you repeat. All of you repeat.
Early birds.
And those
Birds.
those who wake up late night, like they sleep around 2, 3, 1. What are they called? You know?
Sleep birds.
No.